Let's talk about how to become a home inspector in Illinois. Illinois is a regulated state, so if you want to work there, you'll have to jump through some hoops first. Now, none of this is that hard. You'll be able to get working in Illinois within a couple months, maybe less. At the end, I'll talk about some of the things that you'll need to do to keep renewing your license after you get it. I'm going to keep this video pretty focused on the licensing process, but you should know that there's a whole bunch of other stuff that you need to do besides just getting licensed when you're getting ready to start your home inspection business. Things like insurance, equipment, your legal documents. I don't want to scare you off, but just know we wrote a full guide that talks about all of this stuff. I'll put a link to it in the description. I even did a cost analysis on it. But let's talk about what you legally need to start working in Illinois. So home inspectors are regulated by the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation. It doesn't really roll off the tongue. I like the acronym better, the IDFPR. IDFPR. Basic stuff first. You need to be at least 21 and have a high school diploma or a GED. Then you need to take your home inspection course, also called a pre-licensure course. These courses are usually 60 hours, and that's the minimum that they're required to be to meet the state requirements. In this course, they'll teach you everything you need to do the actual inspection. A lot of these courses are broken up into different sections. There's a test at the end of every section, so it makes it really easy to kind of chunk it out. Also, most of these courses will give you their own certification at the end of it. You can put that on your website or on your business cards, and it helps give you a little bit extra credibility. There's a big list on the state's website that shows you all the course providers that are licensed in the state. Make sure you pick one that's on there. Now, while you're doing this, you're going to want to go on 5 ride-alongs with a licensed Illinois state home inspector. This is one reason why you might want to choose to train at a physical local home inspection school as opposed to one that's completely online. It might make it a little easier to do that ride-along. You can always use the Spectora website to find a Spectora home inspector that's in your part of the state. Once you're done with this course, you take the state examination. Now, hopefully, if you just pass the pre-licensure course, the state examination is going to be a breeze. Now, I found a study guide on the state's website. I put that in the full guide. It should be really helpful. You pay a fee to take the exam. It's $125. You can take the exam as many times as you want. You got to pay a fee every time though. Before you actually apply for a license, you also need to register your business with the state and then have proof of that registration, whether it's articles of incorporation or whatever, and you need to attach that to your license application. So once you have all that, your pre-licensure course done, your state exam complete, and your 5 ride-alongs and your legal formation of your business, you can apply for your license. That application also has a fee. It's $250. You mail in your application, they'll send you a license. Be prepared, there could be a little bit of a delay if they have a backlog. You need to renew your license every 2 years with some continuing education or CE credits. The school where you got your certification will probably also offer CE credits, so you can just go back to them. If they don't for some reason, you can check out InterNACHI. They offer free continuing education credits. Hey, thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget that we have a full guide which covers all of the other aspects of starting your business. The link's in the description below. Take care.